In this video, I will show you 3 programs that pay you real money, which are one of the easiest ways to earn money online. This is also possible without investing a single dollar, and it is completely free to do. All you have to do is download the apps that I will show you. So watch this tutorial step by step until the end. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. The first one we'll use is called UserFill. This is a program that I think many of you didn't even know existed until now. And maybe you do. This is a program where you can test different apps and websites and get paid. The way it works is basically companies all over the world need someone to test their apps to fix any bugs or issue found in the above apps and websites, and this is where phone.com comes in handy. Companies will pay. phone pays people like us to do testing, so you get paid easily. And as you can guess, conducting such an experiment requires a certain set of knowledge, skills, or experience. And that's exactly why this is the first program I'm going to show you today. It's a great place to start making money online if you haven't already. Moreover, it is a very popular program that has more than hundreds of thousands of testers from all over the world. So this works in most countries, and most likely it will work in yours too, and this is one of the best features of this app. Like me, they also have hundreds of happy customers, and some of those mentioned can be seen just below, which as you can see includes some very large companies that I know some of you will recognize instantly. You can also see a little information about this program and its features. UserFill is a multilingual usability and user testing tool. Test any site in any language. Their panel consists of over 130,000 testers who speak 40 languages. I think this brings a lot of customers to do app, because having testers from all over the world means that a site or app that is not in English can still be tested without any problems. Here we can see information about the testers themselves, so it is definitely relevant for us. Test on mobile or tablet desktop. Testing with an external camera and app allows us to test websites or applications on an Android, iPhone, or iPod. That's why I said in the introduction that you can do this with just your smartphone. In the end, of course, the decision is yours, but the fact that it can be done on smartphones is a big plus, because you basically don't have to be at home to test apps. A phone or tablet is all you need to do it. Here you can see that you can get your results very quickly, and some additional information about the program that I simply won't go into because it's irrelevant to us. All you have to do is scroll down and click on Tester FAQ. And then it takes you to this page where you can get paid $10 for every test that takes between 10 and 20 minutes. In other words, get paid at least $10 in 10 minutes and at most 20 minutes. This is not a small amount considering the fact that you need literally no skills to do this. Now when you get to this page, I recommend you read everything thoroughly. A great feature about user fill is that you don't need to pay for anything. However, you will need a Windows or Mac computer and a microphone. If you have a laptop, you don't even need to buy a microphone because it already has a built-in microphone. But if you have or need to buy what you don't need very expensive, you won't need to use your real name when taking the test, so don't worry about that. What is very important to mention is the qualification test, so you can start testing right away. But this certificate only confirms that you have a microphones and can do various things. The last thing to mention is your payment method. As you can see, you get paid through PayPal or Amazon gift card. Now, all you have to do to get started with user fill is to scroll down to become a tester. Click and just fill this to start earning. The second website is Honeygain. This website is a great way to earn passive income online. This program is slightly different compared to the previous program because you will earn by sharing your internet. Now, don't worry, your security is not at risk or anything. And as you can see here, this website is really safe. This ensures that your internet traffic is only used by companies I trust and that the app never requests or accesses your device storage, so they don't steal your data, and your internet traffic is only used by people you trust. Here you can see how this site works, and in short, it makes the internet more accessible to other users, and you can only get paid. Here you can see the 5 steps. So your first step is to install this, then run Honeygain. The app collects data using your internet data, which helps other businesses in the process, and ultimately you get paid. You do this through PayPal or Bitcoin. The last thing I can't leave out about this program is that it doesn't pay a lot of money, and the money you pay depends a lot on your internet connection. The third application that we will discuss today, moneyapp.org. This is one of the best rated programs of its kind that I have ever seen. As you can see, it is available for both Google Play and Apple Store. Here you will see that not only is this app highly rated, but the said rating has been submitted by hundreds of thousands of people. So this just proves that this program can make you money by doing the various tasks they have to offer you will get paid, which earns you credit, then you exchange for money. So that's all there is to it. It's nothing complicated. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.